Chapter 50. Taking Pictures. The old man wants to take his family's pictures. Firstly, he loads the film into the camera. He wins the button on the camera. He uses the flash gun so that the picture is better. He tells his family to have the photo taken. They stand in front of the camera. The old man looks them through the camera, but he can't see all of them. It needs to be so closed. They spread out of the sight. Firstly, he asks the young boys to sit down. Then he asks the girls to stand in front of the boy. After that, he asks the short girls to stand in front of the tall one. And he asks the thin boy to stand in front of the fat boy. When the position is changed, he looks them through the camera. Now he gets the right position, so he asks them not to move. He turns the switch on and presses the button. Finally, he gets the good family's pictures.